Hello, today I'm in Nissan Murano. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look behind the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Press button on the top to switch menu on the instrument cluster. Press it in the middle to navigate through it, and press it on the bottom to switch between trip A and trip B. On the instrument cluster we can see average fuel consumption, time and travel, range, outside temperature, and we can go to settings. We can find maintenance, alert, and options. In options we can change language, unit, and manage effects. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.